Breakfast, soft-boiled eggs, set white with bunny jokes. Step 1, stop playing with your bunnies. Oh, but they're so cute.
Mary, Princess Avina.
Well, the water's ready. Time for the eggs. But you know, it's such a beautiful day outside, and it's so dark and gloomy in this kitchen. We should do this outside. But I don't have a kitchen outside. I know. I'll see you outside.
Gather some fence wood. Make a frame. Make a countertop. Sanding and painting. Put some wheels on it. Finish and move. Boil a half an inch of water. Okay, now that water's boiling, it's time for the eggs. Carefully place the eggs. This recipe works well whether you're cooking 1 egg to 6 eggs. What's really cooking the eggs is the steam, so it's incredibly reliable. Now we wait 6.5 minutes. 6.5 minutes, okay? Make some toast soldiers. Toast soldiers. Kill some time somehow. Oh, it's time for the eggs. Gotta stop playing with the bunny. Okay. Cold water bath. It stops them from overcooking. Serve. I'm pouring milk in your tea. Pose for the picture. Get good company. It's no fun to eat alone. Now enjoy the perfect breakfast.
Good whack, a little saw motion. There you have it.
Oh, it looks perfect. And then, the most important thing, a soldier. As Martha Stewart says, a toast soldier.
Nice tool.
It's like magic.
Exactly. You on camera?
Food fight time. Definitely not something you can do indoors.
How dare you throw eggs at me?
to petting the bunny. They tell me he's evil, but I don't believe them.
There's a
Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit.
Well, that's no ordinary rabbit. That's the most foul, cruel, and bad-tempered rodent you'll ever set your eyes on. That rabbit's got a vicious streak a mile wide. It's a killer. He's got huge, sharp fangs. I warned you, but you didn't listen to me. Oh no, you knew, didn't you? Oh, it's just a harmless little bunny, isn't it?